Sydney's Footloose days are firmly in the past thanks to some cool planning centered around the city's midnight economy with a lot of vigor and resiliency from their nocturnal industries. Whether it's on the roof, in the cellar, by the pool, underground, at the beach, or in a suburban bowling alley, Sydney is a party lover's paradise. Sydney still has some of the top clubs and places where you can dance the night away despite limitations that have been placed on its nightclubs. Welcome back to the Travel Bug channel, where if you've got an itch for adventure, culture, or change of pace, you've come to the right place. Looking for a perfect spot to dance the night away? Here are 11 of the best nightclubs in Sydney. Starting off with number 11, the Junction. The Junction is an excellent place to start if you're looking for Sydney's top clubs in 2022. This Bondi hotspot not only features professional DJs spinning everything from reggae to jazz, but it also has a restaurant with 40 seats. This is ideal for filling up before hitting the dance floor. The Junction is a modern-styled subterranean nightclub located at Bondi Junction, which is Sydney's main shopping district. The Junction is a 400-person capacity multi-use concert venue, gallery space, restaurant, and bar. 3 different bar counters can be found in this hot club. It also plays some incredible upbeat songs by both local and foreign musical genres. It's one of the hottest nightclubs in Sydney, offering live bands and art exhibits. Number 10, the Imperial. Sydney's centre for boisterous and proud evenings out is the renowned LGBT pub in the western suburbs. Start your week off right with a basement bar boogie. Look no further than the Imperial in Erskineville if your notion of a fun night out dancing incorporates a subterranean club atmosphere. This LGBTQIA+ friendly megapub is a great place to catch a glamorous drag performance and dance like nobody's watching. The front bar plays only sultry disco tunes, while the basement is essentially an underground rave where the best gay collectives in Sydney, including Honcho Disco, Heaps Gay, and Girl Thing, are regularly hosted. Number 9, Club 77. The club is well known for its kishy decor, big-ass booths, late-night snacks, and mind-blowing DJs. Club 77 is a 20-year-old underground bar with amazing techno music, bright red neon lights, and cool clients that set the tone for a fun-filled night. This lively bar is well known for its local bands and DJs spinning bangers and preparing the evening for dance-off and partygoers. This subterranean club has undergone several transformations over the years. It was formerly a hangout for one of the city's goths and fetish subcultures, and it later became a gathering place for club kids from all over the city. Number 8, Oxford Art Factory. This club is known to be one of the biggest venues in Sydney for live gigs on the horizon. In this fun yet relaxing place, you can enjoy a calm setting with superb sound quality and unique club lighting. Inspired by Andy Warhol's factory in New York, the Oxford Art Factory has established a reputation for having the greatest talent through local and international performances, as well as organizing art exhibitions. Lady Gaga had her first Australian gig here in 2008, and yes, it's the same place where Bret Easton Ellis launched his book. Did you know that Dave Grohl still wears his Oxford Art Factory shirt from a show here with his cover band Chevy Metal? This club, located on Oxford Street, is a multifunctional facility with various rooms that may accommodate numerous independent events at the same time. In simple words, it caters to people of all tastes. Number 7, the Ivy Pool Club. A list of Sydney's best dance clubs would be incomplete without mentioning Ivy. The Ivy Pool Club brings together the best of Sydney. The place is well known for its lavish and extravagant dance parties, as well as for people who want to show off their wealth, fashion, and appearance. Ivy Pool Club was inspired by a 1960s Palm Springs resort and is a vibrant blend of opulence, paradise, and a kitschy time warp to the era of striped man togs, saturated photos, guilt-free smoking, and Cinzano. Perched atop the venerable Ivy compound is all about the pool and the private cabanas that surround it. Making it unlike any other rooftop bar in town, it also hosts a slew of great dance parties, including popular events like Poof Doof and Lost Sundays. Number 6, Home the Venue. Shall we party the night out at home? No, not in my house. If you are away from home and want to feel at home with homies, then this place might hit you hard. Renowned for being Sydney's only super club, this enormous 3-story nightclub in Cockle Bay attracts both locals and tourists for mainstream house music and often local live music. Its Darling Harbour views make it popular for revelers wanting to party till sunrise from the view from the floor, which is divided into 3 levels and will surely make you feel cozy. Number 5, Chinese Laundry. Chinese Laundry nightclub nightclub, located under the famed Slip Inn, consists of 3 rooms and a vast outside garden and features the world's greatest DJs on a weekly basis, all on a state-of-the-art sound system delivering a truly world-class partying experience. Sasha DJ Slink and James Holden are just a few of the worldwide DJs that play at Chinese Laundry, captivated by the cave's top-notch audio system. Number 4. Stonewall Hotel. Oh no, it's not just a simple hotel. Looking for a bar that's gayer than a Cher and Dolly Parton? Stonewall Hotel, one of Sydney's popular LGBTQIA+ establishments, has been around for almost 23 years. The nightclub is heavily entrenched in community spirit, with an event program that reflects this culture. It is a heritage-listed building with 3 levels: the public bar, the cocktail bar, and the VIP bar. Stonewall takes pride in offering a safe, fun, gay, and supportive environment. Furthermore, the adjacent hotel provides tourists with a place to lay their heads after a night of partying. Number 3. Goros Konichiwa. Wait, what? A Japanese club? Goros is one of Sydney's coolest hangouts. Styled like a Tokyo dive pub, the facility was constructed with late-night adventures in mind, combining scrumptious Japanese food with classic arcade games, flashing neon lights, and booming karaoke. How cool is that? Unless you want your cocktails to be very sweet, go for the highballs made with Japanese whiskeys, or try their kakubin with lemon juice and soda, as well as yamakaze with amaro, orange blossom and soda. Perhaps you like your spirits neat. Behind the bar, they also have an outstanding selection of hibiki, yamakaze, and Nikki drams. Ashai and Sapporo are served freely, along with a variety of light appetizers including gyoza, yakitan skewers, and burgers filled with spicy fried chicken, tender wagyu, and shrimp katsu. Talk about dancing the night away with a happy tummy. Number 2. Frankies Pizza. What about a round 2 for pizza this time? Frankies Pizza is unquestionably one of Sydney's top destinations for some rock and roll and a crazy night out. They say Frankie's hidden secret is seen through the looking glass, or more precisely through the salon doors. There is no sign of the decent Italian lad who used to make the red sauce the way Grandma did. An exquisite combination of pub, pizza, cafe, pinball, museum, live music venue, and nightclub every day of the week. This underground pub in the inner city hosts live music, and on the weekends, ear-splitting rock and roll fills the air. The bar has some incredible cocktail concoctions that will get you moving to the music. Unfortunately, you only have a few months left to party in this underground paradise, since Frankie's will be closing to make way for a new Sydney Metro line. Hurry and rock. Number 1. Marquis Sydney. The Marquis nightclub, also known as the Star Casino Superstar Club, is known for its incredible sound system, flashy LED screens, and go-go dancers. Marquis has established its reputation over the years by hosting notable worldwide DJs like Hardwell, Will Sparks, Afrojack, Avicii, and Armin van Buuren. There are also many places to explore. The main room dance floor is where the action is, but you can get a fantastic view of the activity from the alcove behind the stage, or have a talk and a glass in the library off to the left. Surprisingly, the finest view of the port is from the unisex facilities. If you are looking forward to experiencing the taste of the celebrity lifestyle, then Marquis Sydney Nightclub is the one for you. Everyone deserves some time to themselves to forget about their troubles and be in the present moment. And sometimes partying your booty till sunrise plus booze is the best. How about you? Which of these nightclubs will you dance the night away in? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to Travel Bug. We'll see you in the next video.